Am I coming to South? Hopefully one day. I would love to safari. I don't get it. I didn't do anything wrong. Like, this really frustrates me, but I'm just gonna let it go. We're gonna set new goals, you guys. We're gonna go for 20 money guns. We're just gonna keep firing at them and be like, what do you want? It makes no sense.
Boost your breakfast at Whole Foods Market. Get a pint for
it's ridiculous.
Add some color to your pancakes, yogurt bowls, oats, and more. While supplies last, shop in-store or online. Terms apply.
I love pancake batter. When I was a kid, I would literally just eat it. No, that's not true, you guys. How do you say that? Like, I'm just genuinely curious. How is US owned stuff bad? What is the app that they're going to? That's true, they do censor. Alexa, timer off. Alexa, set a 10-minute timer. Lemonade is owned by TikTok, you guys. Yeah. Sorry. I know. I don't get it though. Like, can you not talk about anything? That's just so stupid. Whatever. We're here, you guys. Show some love. I think they're gonna fix it. That's our goal, is to get this shit fixed, right? Let's hit this live goal, the money guns, you guys. Thank you, Ginge, for showing up for me. Brandon don't want just anyone being the face of the room. Thank you, Ginge. There, right now. I think it'll get fixed. Thank you.
Mommy, can you help me do this?
Yes, come over. Thank you, Ginge, for another money gun. Thank you, Loon, for the heart me. Whatever. We're gonna just do the changes like we always do. I'm just not gonna fight it, and change is change. Baby, I can't pay for this. It wants me to pay for it. You gotta pick a different app.
Why?
Because it wants $100. You want to get a toy or you want a game?
Toy.
Okay, thank you. You get like 5 toys with $100. I lost my consciousness in a 6th dimension. Well, I know, I have a 10-minute timer on them. My shoulder's doing better. I went to a chiropractor yesterday. You guys, I did a vlog yesterday. I'm gonna post for you.
Mommy,
Yeah. You know, I was thinking about how once the restaurant opens, I might step away from TikTok for a while. Because, especially with all this stuff going on, like, I will post for enjoyment, but going live and stuff, I'm probably gonna cut back. Because it sucks, you know? It doesn't make it enjoyable to show up. I know, mommy. Hold on. Give me a second. My hands are oily. You know? I love posting content. I love posting and showing up here. I really enjoy it. I love showing up on the mornings, you know? I need this to be cooked. The more you guys show engagement though, like, comment, share, repost, the more it pushes me. So, I love you guys. I'm probably not going to be able to break the habit of showing up, but I appreciate you guys showing up on here. It means a lot to me. Maybe that's the book you're trying to read.
what?
The Paw Patrol.